Hello, Nashville. Jason Carney here. I'm the president of the Tennessee Solar Energy Association, where we attempt to educate and celebrate solar that's being done in Tennessee. I'm the owner of Energy Electives, and we endeavor to live at the intersection of diversity and clean energy. I'm a native of Nashville. Family's been around here for 7+ generations. And also, I'm co-minister of Old Hickory Boulevard Church of Christ right here in Nashville, Tennessee as well. But the hat, metaphorically, that I'm wearing right now, the reason I'm calling on you is because it's truly an honor to serve on the mayor's Sustainability Advisory Committee. And we've been asked to share what we do to be sustainable in hopes that it will encourage you, it will enlighten you to also try to be as sustainable as possible. So from my corner of the world, I'll tell you a couple things that I do, three things that I do to be sustainable, and hope that you'll take my lead and carry it even further. First thing I try to do is I try to stay hydrated. I try to drink quite a bit of water. In the work that I do, I'm on hot roofs, I'm in hot attics, installing solar, putting in insulation, I'm in hot crawl spaces, so gotta stay hydrated if I want it to be a longer day. Next thing that I do is I try to wear this nice hat here, or wear a nice wide brimmed hat. This one in particular has a solar panel on the very top of it, and it powers a fan that keeps my head cool while I also enjoy the shade of the wide brim. But this last thing is probably my favorite way that I try to be sustainable. A couple years ago, I installed solar on my home, so let me show you what that looks like today. If you see here, it's approaching 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and so this very top number says this is how much solar I'm still making even at 6 o'clock in the day. That's 951 watts. So even at this time of the day, I can power 100 watt light bulbs. What I'm really excited about is this middle number, 29.1 kilowatt hours in one day. My system is a 5.4 kilowatt system, and today I made 29.21 kilowatt hours. Why is that so exciting to me? That's exciting to me because if you look at my bill, and I spilt a little of that water on the bill that I was telling you about, but if you look at my bill, according to the change from last month on my meter and the days that they looked over, I averaged 25.6 kilowatt hours per day as far as my bill on the last month, the last billing period. And so I just showed you that today I made 29 kilowatt hours. So today I essentially made a little more than my average from last month. So that's super exciting to me. That's the way that I try to stay sustainable, drinking water, keeping cool, and enjoying the benefits of my solar energy system on my home. So I encourage you to try to be sustainable according to what your passions are, and I look forward to someday meeting you all, and I hope that you will be sustainable. And best thing you can do to be sustainable for our world is to love your neighbor. Love your neighbor. This is Jason Carney again, signing out, and be sustainable, Nashville.